Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today what I want to share with you is a shopping haul video. These are all the things that I have acquired over the last like 2-3 months. As you all know, I like to shop and I thought it would be fun if we share it all on here together. So let me get into this video. I've got a whole box of bits in here to show you. So where do we start? PS, can we have a bit of appreciation for my brooches today? I've got a Chanel brooch and this is I think it's Swarovski crystal moon that I got from my grandmother a long time ago. I think it's an Italian designer, I'm not quite sure, but she says that she bought it when she was in Dubai or one of the Emirates. Actually, I think it was Jordan, when she was in Jordan. I think she bought it from there. It's just beautiful. It's really pretty. And she gave it to me and now I'm wearing it. So let's get into what I've been buying. There's a couple of bags, a couple of pottery items, dresses, shoes, these kind of things. So let's get into it. So the first thing I'm going to show you is something that I got from Wedgwood. And this is a Valentine's plate. So let me show you here. These are from the year. So each year they did a Valentine's collection plate and they do different designs on different colours. So this one is from 1992, which is my birth year. So I'll just show you here. This is the plate here. And you can see here it says Valentine 1992. And the depiction on the plate is of Anthony and Cleopatra. So that's this plate here. And this came with, this has here the Valentine's thing. This is number 4,267 in a limited edition of 20,000. So, oh, let me pick this up. So that's the first thing that I got. The next thing I have in here, God, this is a dress. And I'm not kidding you, when I bought this, so I'm gonna I'll add a picture of what it looked like on the listing. It looked like grey, right? The dress looks grey. And when it came, look at what colour it is. It's lilac. It's pure lilac. It doesn't even like, let me dim this light and see if I can show you. Like here, you can see like it's lilac. It's still pretty, but it's lilac. And I feel as though, I mean, I don't know if lilac is really my colour. Maybe I'll keep it the same. I'm not sure. But either way, it's literally lilac. It's a really nice dress. It's very, how can I explain this? Like Greek goddess style. I will try this on and I'll add a clip in for you. But this is Greek goddess style. It's really nice, like full length. Very, very pretty. So yeah, I was thinking as well, maybe I could dye this grey. What do you guys think? Do you like the lilac? Do you think it's cute? It's by a company called Fame and Partners, which is quite an expensive dress, I think. Like a lot of their dresses, what I could see online, sell for like 300 plus. And I was like, whoa. So I got this for, it was like £18, I think I got it for. So it was a good bargain, it was a good deal. I'm thinking of dyeing it grey. Let me know what you think and yeah, just let me know what you think. Next thing is these. I love these. These are the hot pink orange sandals by Hermes. Like these are so cute. I love them. These are actually these are a dupe as I just want to collect all of the different sandals in all of the different colours and I can't afford to buy like every colour from Hermes. Like, so I actually found these were a really good dupe. I found these on eBay and I love how pink they are. So I got these as well. Love these. These are so cute. They come in red. I want to get them in red as well. Let me see. Oh, this. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. This is from MCM. It's like an MCM dog or like an MCM puppy. and it's a bag charm. You just hang it on your bag. It's just really, really cute. I actually wanted to put this on my backpack. I have an MCM backpack, but I need to get it repaired because the zip doesn't work fully. But how cute is this? I just thought it was really cute. I won it for like really cheap. So yeah, I just thought it was really cute just to hang on my bag. Next thing, I have a handbag. Now, I won this. This is a Stella McCartney. I don't even know what the name of this bag is, but it's the vegan leather Stella McCartney bag. It's really, really nice. It does come with a shoulder strap here, but the problem is, you see how on this side of the bag, there's a D-ring? On this side of the bag, it's just a little flap. So I have the D-ring on here, and I need to take this to a leather shop or a handbag shop so they can repair the strap and put it back on. So I can wear it crossbody, not crossbody, on the shoulder. Because you can wear this bag like two ways. So there's this way, like this. Cute. And then there's also another way where it folds like this, and then the crossbody strap or the shoulder strap will go across here, and you can wear it this way as well. But I just thought this was really, really, really cute. I remember when this bag came out and everybody was obsessed with it. You can see here, here's the Stella McCartney tag and things. It's really nice. I'm quite surprised as well. For vegan leather, it feels really, really nice. So that's this one. The next few things that I have, now these are for when we move to the new house. Let me just say, we're still not in the new house yet. Things are moving forward with all the solicitors and legal things that need to be done before you move house. So we are, what? Hello? Everyone keeps interrupting my video today. So we are in the process of moving to the new house. It's just taking so long. COVID just completely, basically messed it up. So I got some silk scarves that I want to put these in frames. This is the first one. So beautiful. I love this. It reminds me of when I was on a holiday in the Baltic region. I think it's actually Paris. The actual depiction on it is Paris or France, but it just reminds me so much of there. And this is made by a company called Rhodia. Let me see if I can show you this. Rhodia, and it says it is 100% acetate. I thought it was silk when I bought it, but I mean it feels like silk, so this is the main thing. And it says made in France. So this is the first one that I got. The next silk scarf is this one. This is, let me make sure I get it the right way up. Here we are. This mini one, this is so cute. This is a Christian Dior scarf. You can see at the bottom it says there. It's a Christian Dior scarf, and it's the poison bottles. So any of the poison, the hypnotic, the pure, any of those, this is a depiction of that. And this is 100% silk. And I just love it. Just imagine this pressed and in a frame. So adorable. So adorable. And the next one, this is much bigger than I thought. Like when I ordered this, I thought it was smaller than this. It's like this. I thought it was so much smaller, but it's really quite big. And this is by, where is the logo? I thought this scarf to begin with was Cartier, but when it arrived, it didn't say that. It says Carven Paris here at the bottom, like Carven. I thought honestly, I'm so stupid. I thought it said Cartier, but it doesn't. So it says Carven Paris, and this is 100% silk as well. I just think it's really pretty. What I think I might do with this is like fold it in half and then fold it again and frame it. Or to be honest, this would look really, really nice, you know, if you're wearing like a headscarf. Like this. So you can put it on. You put it around the front and then tie it up at the back. And just have like this kind of vibe. It's like vintage, Parisian chic Barbie doll, living your best life moment. This actually looks really cute. I would wear this like this actually, to be honest. Wow. Imagine your hair is like done up all glam and you just literally, you just, oh, sorry I'm late to the party. Can you imagine? Yes, girl. And what do I have next? This is by Yankee Candle, Home Inspirations. And it is the Sugar Blossoms. Really burned it quite a bit. Oh, it smells so good. This just smells like a sweet perfume that you just want to wear. It's just amazing. Really nice. I actually found this in Asda, believe it or not. And it was on sale. I think I got it for like £9. Really good. Because these, for this size, is normally crazy expensive. So when I seen this, I was like, a girl, oh, I gotta get these. Something else that I want to show you. Now this is so special to me. One of my bestest friends in the entire world hand drawn or hand drew and illustrated this picture. This is of my cat. I want to try and, I don't want to take out the plastic until I frame it. And this is of my cat here when she was a kitten. Look at the detail. Look at how talented she is. Can you believe it? And she hand drew this. So I'm going to leave a link to her page below if you want to get any of your animals hand drawn as well. I'm going to link this down below because it's honestly so cute. I love it. So thank you so much, babe. Mwah! Love you lots. I'm just waiting for the right frame and I'm probably waiting until we move to properly frame it and stuff and display it. I'm just going to wait until we move and then I know it's going to be safe and everything. The next thing I have is, you guessed it, more Wedgwood. And this one is, I think it's from one of like the Easter collections. How can I show? I want to show you this without it breaking. And this is like this. And it's all basically a candy egg dish. So I'm guessing you'd put little eggs in there. This is the large size. They also, it's fairly, I mean, it's not huge, but it's fairly large. Like, let me compare it to my phone. Okay, it looks really, really small. But this is the large one. They do smaller sizes of this as well. And in different colours. So I'd like to get one in lilac, the green. I'd like to get a few different colours. I think it would be super, super adorable. Just have a few of them like scattered around almost. But yeah, it's so beautiful. You can see it's a cherub on that. Let me try and make it focus. Yeah. See, it's a cherub. Very, very pretty. Very pretty. Because again, all of these pieces, I'm not really bringing them out until we move because what's the point? What is the point? And then the next piece I have, I'm trying to think of anything else that I've bought. I mean, I bought a few skincare bits, but that's not really that interesting. And maybe for a skincare video, ooh, that over there. Okay. I'm seeing things as I'm talking. The next thing is, you guessed it, something else from Wedgwood. And again, these are like all eBay purchases. And this is a Valentine's plate from 1983. And this is on the pink. And that looks like this. So pretty. It's the depiction of a suitor and I guess you could say a lady, a person, and he's trying to woo her. Let me see, what does it say? It says 18th century courtship scene, and this is number 9,227 of 20,000. So they only make 20,000 of each set, but again, you can see just how beautiful. I love the pink Wedgwood Jasperware. The pink Jasperware is just, it's insanely beautiful. Insanely beautiful. So that's that piece as well. I love it so much. The second to last thing, you're not going to believe this. I won a vintage Dior saddlebag. Look at this! Isn't this like the cutest thing you've ever seen? The vintage Dior saddlebag, and it has the little pouch at the back. I'm very shocked at how similar it is to the current one. Obviously the difference is like the side panel parts and things. And also look, can you believe this? You're not going to believe this. It's Velcro. It's Velcro here. What? Can you believe that this was such a thing? Like, they did a Velcro. So it's a Velcro closing. Can you believe it? I just think it's really, really cute. Right. It's a look. It's like a Sex and the City vintage look. So cute. We're loving it. We're working it. We're loving it. I just love it. And I love the kind of brown Montaigne. Is it called Montaigne? The brown like Dior monogram. I think it's just really, really cute. As opposed to kind of like the blue and things. The blue gets a little bit... Don't get me wrong, I still love it, but I feel like it's a little bit played out, whereas the brown is more neutral and things. They also did... does everybody remember when Dior, with the monogram print, did... it was kind of like carnival colours. Red, yellow and green. Love that. That was so much fun. Look how big the D is compared to the modern day one though. It's huge. Huge, huge, huge. But yeah. Love this. This was such a good find. I'm not even kidding you, such a good find. And then the last thing, let me go and grab it. It's over here. Let me go and get this. This absolutely stunning antique vase. It's honestly so unbelievably beautiful. I think it's Japanese. It's all hand painted. It's beautiful. I absolutely adore it. Just look at the detail of the painting. To make it focus. It's just stunning. Now, it has a mark on the bottom. I don't know if anybody is able to decipher this. If you can, please let me know in the comments. That's basically everything I've been buying in the last probably... Sorry about my phone going off. Like, this is a crazy video today. It's crazy. It's crazy. Yeah, this is all the things I've been kind of shopping with and buying over the last like couple of months or whatever. I've been treating myself a little bit, putting too much, but oh well. I have been working hard back at work, so I feel as though I'm allowed to treat myself. That's my excuse anyway. So thank you so much for watching. If you give me a like, comment and subscribe, you would be an absolute angel of the day. And until next time, my loves, I will see you all very soon. Take care, guys. Bye.